Welcome to 3 Sterling Ridge Court. This cute 3-bedroom, 2 full bath home with a covered front porch, 1-car garage, fenced backyard, and laminate hardwood flooring inside. Sits on a cul-de-sac street in the Sterling Hills neighborhood near the Summit, Northeast Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-77, Sandhills, dining and shopping, as well as Fort Jackson. So we're out front. You can see there is a 2-car wide driveway leading up to a 1-car garage. You have a covered front porch here as we enter as well. Did mention that the home sits on a cul-de-sac street, so that's nice. As we step inside, you'll notice the laminate hardwood flooring that is throughout the main living areas of the home. So basically in the living room, it continues into the hall on the left side where the bedrooms are, and back into the kitchen and dining area as well. So you enter into the living room with a ceiling fan, and also you can see there is a coat closet in the corner here as soon as you come in. You can see our bedrooms to the left there. We'll take a look at those in a few minutes, but we'll look at the kitchen area first. Before we go in there, we'll just quickly show you the garage. As you can see, it's a 1-car. You have some shelving in there as well, and that's a medium or sort of small size SUV parked in there for scale right now. So you can see in the kitchen, it's an eat-in kitchen, open layout. You have a pantry here on the left. That flooring again continues into here. You have a laundry room as well, or laundry closet with full-size washer dryer connections for side-by-side machines. And then a stainless steel refrigerator, as well as an electric stove and dishwasher, and wood cabinets there. And then out the back, sliding glass door, you can see we have a patio in the fenced backyard. And then back inside, we'll go ahead and swing around to the other side off the living area again, where you have your bedrooms. So we'll just go straight forward here into the primary suite. So a decent sized room with a ceiling fan. On the opposite wall here, you have walk-in closet. It's a pretty nice size. And then also full bathroom, the single vanity and a shower and tub. There's even a window here behind the door for some natural light, which is nice. And then second full bathroom, shower and tub, and the single vanity, same as in the primary suite. And then your 2 secondary bedrooms are sort of here off to the left, off the small hall, off the living room. You can see you have a corner closet. And then finally, bedroom number 3. And then a pretty similar size closet in here. So that completes this tour of property here at 3 Sterling Ridge Court in Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.